Welcome back to the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today, we talk about lot numbers. Lot numbers, also known as lot codes, are unique identifiers assigned to a specific batch of products during the manufacturing process, or as goods are received in a warehouse. They serve as a means of tracking and tracing products throughout the supply chain, and are typically printed and attached as labels to the packaging or containers of the products. Lot numbers provide valuable information about a specific group of products, including details such as the production date, raw materials used, quality control data, and expiration date. They serve as an identification number for a particular batch, allowing for easy referencing and retrieval of information related to the production and distribution of those products. The use of lot numbers helps businesses maintain quality control, enable product recalls when necessary, track inventory accurately, and ensure regulatory compliance. They are especially important in industries where traceability and accountability are critical, such as pharmaceuticals, food products, and other sectors where product safety and quality assurance are paramount. Lot numbers differentiate one batch of products from another, allowing for targeted management of inventory, quality control measures, and efficient tracking of product movements throughout the supply chain. By associating specific information with lot numbers, businesses can quickly identify and address any issues, minimize waste, optimize stock rotation, and ultimately increase customer satisfaction by providing products of consistent quality. Lot numbers versus serial numbers versus SKUs. Lot numbers, serial numbers, and SKUs, or stock keeping units, are distinct identifiers used in different contexts within inventory management and product tracking. Here's a breakdown of their differences. Lot numbers. Lot numbers are unique identifiers assigned to a specific batch of products during the manufacturing process. Lot numbers are used to track and trace products throughout the supply chain. They provide information such as the production date, raw materials used, quality control data, and expiration date associated with a particular group of products. Lot numbers are typically utilized for traceability, quality control, and targeted management of inventory within a specific batch. Serial numbers. Serial numbers are unique identification numbers assigned to individual units of a product. Each item has its own distinct serial number, enabling precise tracking and differentiation between units within a batch or product line. Serial numbers are often used to trace the history, origin, and warranty status of a specific product unit. They facilitate accurate record-keeping, after-sales service, and identification of individual items in case of issues or recalls. SKUs, stock keeping units. SKUs are unique alphanumeric codes or numbers assigned to a specific product within an inventory management system. It serves as an identifier that distinguishes individual products, allowing businesses to track and manage different variations or configurations of the same item. SKUs enable accurate inventory control, streamlined ordering processes, and support pricing strategies by providing a centralized reference point for product identification and management. They facilitate efficient stock management, precise categorization, and data analysis, empowering businesses to make informed decisions regarding inventory restocking, demand forecasting, and product assortment strategies. In summary, while lot numbers focus on identifying and managing specific batches of products, serial numbers are used to identify individual units, and SKUs serve as broader identifiers for different variations of products in inventory management systems. Each identifier plays a distinct role in tracking, traceability, and inventory control, serving specific purposes within the overall supply chain and product management processes. How to use lot numbers for inventory tracking? Here is a practical guide to using lot numbers for effective inventory tracking. By following these steps and utilizing lot numbers effectively, you can streamline your inventory management processes, ensure product quality, and maintain traceability throughout your supply chain. 1. Define your lot numbering system. Start by establishing a clear and consistent lot numbering system that aligns with your business needs. Consider including information such as product date, batch size, or any other relevant details. Ensure that the lot numbers are unique and easy to identify. An example of a lot number could be 2023-0705A, which represents a specific batch of products manufactured on July 5, 2023. 2. Assign lot numbers during production or when receiving goods. Assign lot numbers to each batch of products during the production process or when receiving goods into stock. This can be done by printing or attaching labels with the lot numbers to the containers or packaging of the products. Incorporate barcode technology for efficient scanning and data capture. 3. Record essential information. Associate important information with each lot number. This may include the production date, expiration date, raw materials used, quality control data, and any other relevant details specific to your industry or product requirements. Maintain a central database or an inventory management software system to store and manage this information. 4. Implement barcode scanning. Utilize barcode scanners to capture lot numbers and track inventory movements accurately. Barcode scanning eliminates manual data entry errors and provides real-time visibility into stock levels, locations, and specific batch details. 5. Track inventory by lot numbers. When receiving new inventory, scan and record the lot numbers along with the quantity received. This allows you to track the specific batches of products in your warehouse. Similarly, when fulfilling orders, scan the lot numbers of the items being shipped to maintain accurate records of outgoing batches. 6. Enable lot number traceability. Leverage lot numbers for end-to-end traceability in your supply chain. Associate lot numbers with the corresponding raw materials used, production dates, quality control checkpoints, and distribution information. This traceability helps identify any issues or recalls and facilitates targeted quality assurance measures. 7. Manage expiration dates and shelf life. For perishable goods, closely monitor expiration dates associated with each lot number. Implement inventory rotation strategies, such as first in, first out, FIFO, or first expired, first out, FIFO, to ensure that products with shorter shelf lives are used or sold first. This minimizes waste and ensures the delivery of fresh products to customers. 8. Conduct regular quality control checks. Use lot numbers to perform quality control checks on specific batches. Establish quality control checkpoints during the production process and associate the results with the corresponding lot numbers. Regularly review and analyze quality data to identify any patterns or recurring issues that need to be addressed. 9. Implement lot number-based recalls. In the event of a product recall or quality issue, lot numbers are invaluable for isolating and removing affected batches quickly. With the ability to track specific product batches, you can prevent further distribution of potentially problematic products and protect consumer safety. 10. Leverage software. Consider using advanced inventory management software or an MRP system with lot number tracking capabilities. Such software can automate lot number assignments, provide real-time visibility into stock levels, facilitate seamless integration with barcode scanners, and generate detailed reports for efficient inventory management. Using MRP software for lot number tracking. Using MRP, Materials Requirements Planning, or Manufacturing Resource Planning software for lot number tracking offers several advantages. Here are the key reasons to leverage MRP software for lot number tracking. 1. Seamless integration. MRP software seamlessly integrates lot number tracking into your existing inventory management system. It allows you to efficiently associate lot numbers with relevant information, such as production dates, expiration dates, quality control data, and other batch-specific details. This ensures a cohesive and centralized approach to managing lot numbers, streamlining operations, and reducing manual errors. In addition, many MRP systems can be further integrated with e-commerce and fulfillment platforms for even greater efficiency. 2. Better organized warehouse management. MRP software is invaluable for warehouse management as it enables efficient inventory control, streamlined workflows, optimal space utilization, accurate demand planning, lot control, and robust reporting capabilities. By providing real-time visibility into inventory levels and locations, workflow automation, and integrating with barcode scanning technology, MRP software enhances operational efficiency, accelerates order fulfillment, and minimizes errors. It facilitates precise lot control, traceability, and compliance with regulations, ensuring accurate tracking of specific product batches. With comprehensive reporting and analytics features, MRP software empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize warehouse resources, and improve overall productivity in their warehouse operations. 3. Enhanced traceability. MRP software provides robust traceability capabilities. By linking lot numbers with critical information, it allows you to track products throughout the entire supply chain. This end-to-end traceability helps identify the origin, production process, distribution, and usage of specific product batches. In the event of recalls or quality issues, MRP software enables quick and targeted isolation of affected lots, minimizing the impact and ensuring consumer safety. This allows for effortless compliance with FDA and other regulatory bodies' regulations. 4. Efficient quality control. MRP software enhances quality control processes by incorporating lot number tracking. It enables you to establish quality checkpoints specific to each batch, ensuring that all relevant quality control measures are implemented and recorded. With MRP software, you can easily access quality data associated with specific lot numbers, track inspection results, perform batch-specific analyses, and identify areas for improvement, thereby enhancing overall product quality and reducing the risk of defects or recalls. 5. Streamlined operations. MRP software automates lot number tracking processes, reducing manual effort and increasing operational efficiency. It enables barcode scanning integration, simplifying data capture, and reducing the risk of errors. Real-time visibility into lot numbers and associated inventory data allows for effective inventory management, streamlined workflows, and better decision-making. With MRP software, you can proactively address inventory discrepancies, optimize production and distribution processes, and ensure a smooth supply chain flow. In summary, MRP software offers seamless integration, enhanced traceability, efficient quality control, accurate demand planning, and streamlined operations when it comes to lot number tracking. Leveraging the functionalities of MRP software empowers businesses to effectively manage their inventory, improve product quality, ensure regulatory compliance, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Key takeaways. 1. Lot numbers are unique identifiers assigned to specific batches of products, enabling traceability and quality control throughout the supply chain. 2. Lot numbers, serial numbers, and SKUs serve different purposes in inventory management. Lot numbers track batches of products, serial numbers identify individual units, and SKUs distinguish variations of products in inventory management systems. 3. Implementing lot numbers involves designing a numbering system, assigning numbers during production or receiving, recording essential information, implementing barcode scanning, tracking inventory by lot numbers, enabling traceability, managing expiration dates, conducting quality control checks, and leveraging software for efficient management. 4. MRP software streamlines lot number tracking and warehouse management by facilitating efficient inventory control, optimized workflows, optimal space utilization, accurate demand planning, lot control, and robust reporting capabilities.
This episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast has come to a close. Thank you for listening. Make sure to subscribe for more manufacturing tips or visit our website at mrpeasy.com for more information about us.